Assalamualaikum guys.
Waalaikumsalam. Please come in, guys. Why are you late?
I'm sorry guys, I'm overslept.
Okay, wait for me a minute. Okay.
Wow, thank you guys.
Thank you, Hes.
You're welcome.
Wow, Hes, your house is very aesthetic with all of this traditional stuff.
Yes, that's right. By the way, Has, what is the name of this stuff?
Oh, this is called Besek, guys.
I think you have a lot of Besek, right? So why do you like it?
Uh, because I like traditional stuff, and as we know, we already have a lot of plastic trash, so we have to reduce it by starting using this Besek.
Wow, that's so cool, Has. So where did you get it?
I get it from a small business community of people in Iking Village. Their product is handmade and it's called Besek Tulungagung. They have a various size and shape, such as bag and food container, and also we can custom our own design. So it will be very useful for us. And this Besek is very durable and not easy to bring, which is better than plastic. And for the price, it's only 2,000 until 15,000 rupees. So for you who want to buy this Besek, you can get it through our social media in below. We will waiting for your order.
That is good information, Hes. And I will start to use this product soon at my house.
Yes, I agree with you guys. So I can be participated to reduce the use of plastic waste.
Okay, that's good, guys. Now let's start eating.
Okay.